And the Health Ministry is now doing contact tracing and testing in communities on a watch list for increasing spread of the coronavirus. On Saturday, teams from the Southeast Regional Health Authority, SERA, toured sections of the corporate area. We have details in this report.
Samples tested up to Friday saw 21 new cases of Covid-19 in 24 hours for Kingston and St. Andrew alone. And with the case rising daily, the Ministry of Health is trying to trace and isolate possible carriers. Pembroke Hall in St. Andrew was among several communities targeted for testing on Saturday. But despite the health team's efforts, Technical Director for the Southeast Regional Health Authority, SERA, Dr. Sandra Chambers, says it's challenging to narrow down the cases.
For Kingston and St. Andrew, because of the widespread, it is so difficult to contain because the cases are all over. They are not just concentrated in one area. But for the Kingston 2019 area, we seem to be having a significant number of cases. And that is why today, Kingston and St. Andrew Health Department is out in the field.
And to make matters worse,
persons who would have been set on quarantine have not been maintaining their quarantine. And because of that, they have been socializing with other persons. The parties, the beach going, the no mask wearing, all of those things have impacted significant in the increase that we are seeing right now.
In addition to the COVID testing station now at the Pembroke Hall High School, Dr. Chambers says a number of areas are being covered.
We actually have persons being tested today at Duhaney Park Health Center. We also have persons in Halfway Tree. The mobile unit is in Halfway Tree. The team is in Halfway Tree, walking Halfway Tree, handing out flyers, talking to persons, trying to educate, trying to encourage persons who would have had symptoms to have their COVID test done.
She says once a case is identified, the team moves quickly to ensure the proper isolation and contact tracing are done. Krista Campbell, TVJ News.